Lecture number 20. This was actually a nice trading sample that he went over. The MXM model. I was actually reading this live, or why did I say MXM model? But market maker sell model. I like the point they brought up about the second stage of distribution, redistribution. We have to allow it, and where can we do that with an inversion level here? So we have the original consolidation, accumulation, reaccumulation. Here we have generation of smooth highs around that old daily low. Then when we have a turtle soup right there, and like this is just such a nice a setup right here. Change state delivery right there. We don't have an imbalance here within this leg of price, so I wouldn't have been able to take this because as you can see, my model's now up. I now have a model. Here we have a stop hunt, and then we have a balanced price range that gets formed. This old other daily low gets referenced here. We reprice underneath that original consolidation. There, the sell model is complete. This is just another stab lower into discount prices. So there is that. Other than that, like I say, I don't really try to want to go over my notes because they're personal. But doesn't it just look nice? Doesn't this look nice? I got like
That you have to just
I pull up right to where the video is. Like I think this is so much nicer than Notion. I just don't think it's as present. I don't think it's as pleasing to the eye as Notion is. But I think like if I have timestamps, I can literally search up any notes. Like this is gonna be good. I recently just finished the 2022 mentorship notes. I rewatched it and then I did all this with the notes. So yeah, I just recently went over the 22 mentorship, and that honestly inspired me to kind of just base my model kind of around the 2022 model because I think it's more than enough. It repeats every single day. And let's go over the price action examples. So here is the AM session, overall AM session that we had. We form an SMT, we form a fake SMT at a new day opening gap. We come lower, and then we have this expansion leg, and then we expand higher. We come back lower, we expand higher. So not really an expanding day, but at 9:30 we do have an expansion, and we'll go over all this in my interpretations. As always, this is my interpretations. Here we have Asia. I actually have been backtesting Asia, and Asia. I do need to do some more backtesting, but I've been noticing that Asia between 6 to 7, that's when we create the original. I don't know why it's doing that with the mouse. Like I wish I could just click on the image. This is the bad thing about Obsidian. All right, whatever. Here we have Asia. So Asia, we drop down into a discount. We are just generating a dealing range within this hour, and now we're within a discount. We find support at this new day opening gap. Look at the wick here, and then we immediately drive above that inversion for value gap, creating a market structure shift. So now, what is the algorithm telling us? Okay, we established this dealing range. We're in a discount, and now we're trying to draw higher back into fair value, which is going to be this new day opening gap. We had a huge new day opening gap this day. New day opening gap, and then we come back. Okay, you didn't catch anything here. Cool. Volume imbalance. Okay, you didn't catch that. Cool. Fair value gap. Like, just order flow, order flow, order flow. Here we have imbalance right there. Imbalance. Low resistance liquidity signature gets made. This is just a retracement. Look at the bodies. Sell side, sell stops accumulating within this BISI right here. Look at the body. That's beautiful delivery right there. Then we come back lower once more. Notice how this is a leg to generate liquidity. We kind of just had a fast move lower. So therefore, we're likely not just going to expand straight higher. So we need to take more time to put in a price run right here. This is what I want to get better at because like just noticing like overall order flow, like when it's time, because right here we just had to move lower. We're likely not just going to reverse that immediately. We're just going to take a little bit more time. So now this failure swing right there, once we see that, it's a too short for entry drill with this right here, these three down close candles, order block, boom. And then sequence structure of new day opening gap, very nice, very pleasing to see that drawn to. And here, London, we expand above new day opening gap. We use that as support. We're just building in a premium here. We're pricing in a premium here. Order block, order block, order block. What is order flow? I don't think order flow ever changes here. So that's just something to keep in mind on order flow, order flow, order flow. Here you have down close candles. We're pulling back to this imbalance. Sorry, I don't know what's going on with this mouse. And then we're just drawing higher. This, oh, we're putting in a top here. Nope, we're not. Order flow, down close candle, boom. And that was London session. Here's the pre-session. Here's the nice market maker model. He went over this, so this was very nice to see. Although for me, there really isn't any approachable entry here, and I don't really love this, but it is a good example, and it is very nice because he was talking about old daily lows, and then next thing you know, he does a live trading example of it. So here we have consolidation, manipulation, distribution. So right here, this is 8:30, around the 7 to 8:30 hour. We're not really generating any sort of liquidity. We have that big liquidity pool that rests above market price here, that price is drawing to. And here, this is just insights to order flow. So we have 8:30 news. 8:30 news. We have 8:30 news. What are we likely anticipating? Well, we're in a premium. We could see a possible reversal here. So what happens? 8:30. We come up. We refer to that old order flow. We take buy side, and here we come back lower. There, this isn't a trade, to be honest. There's not enough range here. We come back lower below this old low. Notice how we're just accumulating below this low. This is not a reversal at 8:30. If this was a reversal, we would be displacing here and we would be breaking through this low. But no, we accumulate at this low. This is a shift in market structure. This is not a sell side imbalance, but this is an inversion fair value gap. Notice here we're kind of consolidating. If this is not a reversal here. So reversal versus what are we likely to do? And then right here before market open, we drop down into a relative discount here, relative equilibrium from this high to low. And then what do? We displace, we create an imbalance right before 9:30. 9:30 creates an order block, and then boom, we just end up expanding here. And there's that first presentation for value gap imbalance right there. And yeah, there's that. So here we just have a strong energetic push on market open. We're delivering right to this, like this new week opening gap, new day opening gap has just been insane just to see deliver over and over and over again. And we're dropping down into a 15-second imbalance to have a leg higher, dropping down to a new day opening gap to then have another leg higher. So right here, there is no short here. This is not a shorting opportunity. Although we are in a premium, I would like to see that. And here we have buy side, buy side, buy side. We're in a big premium. We're failing to take this huge pool of buy side liquidity. Then what do we get? Right here, shift in market structure, balanced price range forms here. We have order block change state delivery that gets referred to. Then we have a stop hunt here, and then we displace lower. We'll go over and see if my model's in there. There's a stop hunt right there, add a new day opening gap, then we trade to this low. While I'm watching this live, I really want to see us trade into this imbalance right here. So we didn't trade into this imbalance, we just took sell side, and then what do we get? Sell side, market structure, institutional financial drill. Here, silver bullet, balanced price range. This is all efficiently delivered, and then we reach to buy side right there. And we're accumulating around this new day opening gap. We drop it down in the order block perfectly. Boom, expand higher to that level right there. And here is lunch hour. Or no, this is not, I'm tweaking, this is not lunch hour. This is silver bullet hour, and then 2 silver bullets allowed. Here's regular trading hour, so we have an opening range gap, kind of consolidating around in a premium. And then, during the PM session, what do? We just place lower. So wait, do I not have lunch hour? I swear I put, okay, yeah, there it is. So this is lunch hour. We have a rejection block right here, immediate displacement lower, consolidation. We're failing to take this high. We have a huge pool of buy side liquidity. If it was that significant to the algorithm, then we probably would have taken that for sure right here. But we left it, we teased it. We took an old daily high, but there's more. Now there's more sell side right, or buy side. Sorry, not sell side. Buy side right there. So what is all this? We're failing to take it. Then what do we get here? Balanced price range forms. Low resistance liquidity during the lunch hour. What's been profitable? Long positions. We're taking this low here. So very nice to see lunch hour trade below these relative equal lows. Very nice, very nice. And here is PM session, and this is my model forms here. So what do we get? Stop on here, balanced price range, boom, enter right there. Because we have a balanced price range, so we've had fair value gaps in. We had immediate displacement lower. We're disrespecting this new week opening gap, new day opening gap cluster. And where are we likely to trade? Lower. So that's what we get. Boom, sell side imbalance. And then this was a nice, fast sell off here after a stop hunt here. Let's say a 130 opening price. And then this was actually in the 2022 mentorship. I actually want to cite my source here. I want to cite the exact lecture. But here we have, I didn't put that in. But This is in the lecture 38. Oh shoot, do I have it? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I got a little cocky there. Um, dang. I believe it is this lecture. This intraday profile one. Man, I got a little overwhelmed there. But basically, he's saying that um, during for PM session, we're looking for a high to get generated at 130, and then we want that high to get swept here, and then at that high, we'll start delivering into a cell program here. So here we have 130. We have a 130 high, a high generated after 130. Boom, that's the stop point right there. We're now permitted to deliver it into a cell model here. And notice what time this occurs at 2 p.m. We get immediate displacement at 2 p.m. And also, look at this level. Look at this. Is that not nice to see? New day opening gap beautifully delivered and priced to right there. Boom. We're clearly in a sell model here. And what do we need? We just need a very small piece of order flow. That's it. That's all we need. It's just something to get aligned with the current narrative. Simple. There's nothing crazy about it. There's nothing scary about it. Just something with order flow here. Balance price range is being respected. Okay, imbalance right there. That could even be a trade. I know we kind of are in a discount, or we are in a discount, but not in terms of the implied dealing range. We still have this big opening range gap, opening range high right here. So we deliver that very nicely, and there's that. So that's the PM session. PM session sell off here, and then here we have market on close. So ES, if you look at ES chart on this day, ES trades right into a new day opening gap. At the same time, we form an SMT. At the same time, we have just delivered nicely in the PM session. Here we have SMT. What do we get? Shift to market structure, sell side taken imbalance right here. But your stop at this low. We deliver to minor buy side, and then cherry picking that constant encroachment level right there. That's nice to see. And then what do we do? 350 or 345. We deliver off the lows, off the highs. Sorry, we deliver lower into this imbalance, into this discount imbalance right there. So that's all I really have for that. I do have a few lower time frame charts that we can go over here. This is the 950 macro. This is the, or I believe I have a 5 second chart that I'd rather go over. Yeah, okay. This is the 5 second chart. As you can see, we are in a discount. 950 macro opens here. We drop lower into a discount here. Sell side taken. What is this? Shift in market structure. Imbalance. We don't drop down to a discount, so maybe there might not be an entry there. But here we have another imbalance, and then boom, we rift to buy side. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Notice that AMD. Here we have, we're failing to trade that. We have displacement. This is a balanced price range. Price does not need to trade above here. If it does, that's telling. We likely might get more speed higher if that's the case. But buy side taken, boom, or block there. Civvies. Here's the end of day macro. Here's the one. This is like some. Hold on. This is like some random. This is May 2022. I don't know how that got in there. Shoot. All right. Anyways, that's all I got for this one. This little journal. Anyways, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.